Excuse me, hi there.
Oh, hey, how can I help you?
I think I'm a little lost.
Lost? No worries. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for Central Park.
Central Park. You're actually pretty close.
Really? That's good to hear.
Yeah, it's just a few blocks away from here.
Oh, thank goodness. I've been walking for like 20 minutes.
Yeah, New York can be confusing the first time.
Totally. Every street looks the same to me.
You're not wrong. So, you see that traffic light up ahead?
Yup, I see it.
Just cross that street, then keep going straight for 2 blocks.
2 blocks straight. Got it.
After that, you'll see a big statue on your left.
Statue, left side. Okay.
That's the south entrance to Central Park.
Oh, that sounds easy enough.
Yeah, you'll be there in less than 5 minutes.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
No problem. Are you visiting New York?
Yeah, it's my first time here.
Nice. Where are you from?
I'm from Seattle.
Oh, Seattle's cool. Lots of rain, though.
Yeah, way too much rain.
So, how do you like New York so far?
It's amazing. Busy, noisy, but exciting.
That's New York for you.
I love the energy here.
Yeah, it's a city that never sleeps.
True, people are everywhere all the time.
You'll get used to it.
I hope so. I'm staying for a week.
That's nice. Plenty of time to explore.
I plan to visit Times Square tonight.
Oh, good choice. It's super bright at night.
Yeah, I've seen pictures. It looks wild.
It is. Just watch your bag. Lots of tourists around.
Haha, thanks for the warning.
No problem. Are you traveling alone?
Yep, just me and my phone's GPS.
Haha, that's brave.
Sometimes it's fun to get lost.
Yeah, that's how you discover new places.
Exactly, though I didn't plan to get this lost.
Well, at least you found a friendly local.
True, you just saved my afternoon.
Glad to help.
You said go straight for 2 blocks, right?
Yep, straight ahead, then left at the statue.
Got it.
You'll see lots of people walking dogs around there.
Oh, I love dogs.
Then you'll love Central Park.
I can't wait to take some pictures.
The views there are awesome, especially near the pond.
Nice. Maybe I'll grab a coffee and just sit there.
Perfect plan.
Do you go there often?
Yeah, sometimes. It's a good place to relax.
I bet.
There's also a small cafe near the entrance.
Oh, really? What's it called?
Le Petit Corner.
Sounds fancy.
It's actually super chill. Great coffee, too.
I'll definitely check it out.
You should.
Do they have pastries?
Oh, yeah. The croissants are amazing.
Yum. I'm sold.
Haha, good choice.
Thanks for all the tips.
Anytime.
You New Yorkers are actually really nice.
Haha, we get a bad rap, but we're okay.
You sure are.
So, how long are you staying again?
1 week.
That's great. Don't miss the Brooklyn Bridge,
Oh yeah, I've heard it's beautiful.
especially at sunset.
I'll add that to my list.
Good idea.
What do you do here, by the way?
I work nearby at a design studio.
Oh, that's cool. Are you a designer?
Yeah, kind of. I do digital art.
That's awesome. I love creative people.
Thanks. What about you?
I'm a travel blogger.
Oh, no way. That explains the map.
Yeah, part of the job.
Do you post about cities like this?
Definitely. I love sharing local experiences.
Then New York's perfect for that.
I agree. So much to see and do.
For sure.
Maybe I'll write about meeting you today.
Really? That'd be funny.
A kind New Yorker saves the day.
I'll take that title.
You earned it.
Thanks, Emily.
Wait, how did you know my name?
You just told me, right?
Nope.
Oh, oops. Lucky guess.
Wow, that's impressive.
What's your name then?
Emily,
See, I was right.
you must be psychic.
Only on weekends.
You're funny.
I'll try.
And what's your name?
Jake.
Nice to meet you, Jake.
Nice to meet you too, Emily.
Thanks again for the help.
Anytime.
Maybe I'll see you around.
You might.
Okay, so straight 2 blocks, left at the statue.
You got it.
Thanks, just making sure.
Haha, you'll be fine.
Hopefully I don't get lost again.
If you do, ask another New Yorker.
Will do.
Have fun at the park.
I will.
Enjoy the sunshine.
Thanks, you too.
Bye, traveler.
Bye, local guide.
Haha, that's a good nickname.
You earned it.
Take care.
You too.
Have a great day.
Same to you.
Don't forget the coffee shop.
Le Petit Corner, right?
Yep, that's the one.
Got it. Thanks again, Jake.
Anytime, Emily.
Okay, I'd better get going.
Yeah, before it gets too hot.
True.
Stay safe.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.